Today we're out at another incredible property. This is just north of St. Paul on Pleasant Lake, and Andy's kind enough to show us around, tell us all about the awesome tech that they put in this house. If you watch any real estate videos, you guys know that the kitchen is where it's at. This house is no exception. This is an incredible kitchen with tech baked in. We've got obviously the lighting, the shades, the speakers. It's just incredible. Everything is seamlessly integrated. We've actually got frame TVs here as well that look like art. We've got both the touch panels and the keypads on the walls for control. And everything is just so elegant. You wouldn't know that the technology is there. It just blends in with the house. It's like it was meant to be. I was just commenting how beautiful this cabinetry is, and then voila, it's actually a refrigerator. This is one of the favorite places in the house. They've got a nice little prep kitchen area with their coffee makers. A great place to just get ready, and it's kind of out of the way for entertainment. So it could be used for like catering, just getting ready for entertainment. And also in this space, the light switches are actually a different color to go with the wallpaper. So a very nice little touch. I absolutely love the LED accent lighting here. Check this out. Now come over here, check out this den. Notice the attention to detail. They've changed the plates for the wall to match the colors. They've got the LED accent lighting. Again, another frame TV. It just looks incredible. We've got art. These views are incredible. The technology is seamless. It's excellent.
In this fun family room, we have a lot of technology, lights and shades that you can control from the remote as well as the keypads. One cool feature automation trick that we did in here is as you're watching TV in here and you're done for the night and you get up to leave, instead of having to actually grab the remote and shut down the room, we program the button in the room to turn the TV off as well as all the lighting.
One of the things I always notice with a luxury home like this is how the tech is integrated and seamless. So behind us we have the smart TV. That's actually a Samsung frame. And then over there we've got another keypad, and in here it's black instead of white, so it really blends in. Can you show us this technology and kind of walk us through how it works and what the benefits are?
Of course. By the touch or press of one button, you can turn your TV on and be watching TV.
The art has turned into TV.
So
Look
now,
at that.
Now the picture is now a TV. At one button press, you can shut the lights off, turn them back on from the remote, change your sources, or switch to music. One thing we could talk about too, because we're in this room, this client does a lot of Zoom calls, and so they need really reliable Wi-Fi. So we design a very, very strong Wi-Fi system in the house, and we have access points throughout the house so that they don't ever have issues on their Zoom calls. But you probably won't see them unless you're actually looking for them, or I show you one.
Oh look, I found another hidden wireless access point. They really did a great job of hiding the tech.
One of the things we like to do as well with speakers in a home is make sure that they are as hidden and unobtrusive as possible. As you can see here, Sonar makes an in-wall subwoofer, which provides the low ends in this area. Makes the room sound great. Notice we have 8 speakers in this room over the kitchen and dining room. Smaller speakers, but more of them to encompass the room better.
Here we are in the mudroom, and what I love about this space is that they've got a keypad right at the door, so that as you come in, you can hit the welcome button, and as you leave, you can hit the button for goodbye. Now the lower level of most houses is strictly for entertaining, and this house is no exception. We've got a golf simulator, we've got a full-size gym, a bar, media area, as well as a workout area. Let's go check them out. This home comes complete with its own sport cart, including a disco ball. The tech in here includes the speakers, obviously lighting control, and then we've got a television up on the second level.
Up here, there's sensors throughout here and cameras that pick up the ball on both sides, as well as sensors across the ceiling as well. As you swing and hit the ball, it picks up where that ball is with all the sensors and can tell you based as it crosses different planes from the sensors. Like think of like laser curtains back to back, and as the ball hits it, depending on where it hits the 2 planes, it knows where it goes. And I believe that one actually can pick up spin on the ball, so it can tell you if you sliced or hooked it. Another fun thing that we can provide is Rgb Light Control in rooms. So there's low voltage RGB strips up there that have red, blue, and green LEDs built into them. And then there's a Crestron controller that is also sitting up there that's controlling these lights.
I'm not a golfer myself, but with a setup like this, I feel like I gotta try it out. Oh, not very good. I don't even think it made it on the screen. I think I'll stick to talking about smart home tech. I'm a big fan of these media areas where you can, well, see the TV no matter where you are. They work really well in like high light areas, so you could be entertaining in this space and still be able to see that bright screen, whereas sometimes with like a projector or a more dedicated theater area, you don't get that, and it needs to be darker. So I like what they've done here. And then, of course, it can switch to like art when it's not in use, or they've got the Apple TV hooked up. And just look at the amount of speakers in this room. We've got all these different zones that's controllable right through the app. And so if, as the party transitions through different parts of the house, you can kind of change the music to move with you, or kind of send it throughout the house, or just different zones. Really cool. So on the lower level, we've got a panel that can control anything. We got the button here for different rooms. We're over by the golf simulator. We also have the touchpad where we can do, turn golf sim area off or on. We got the bar, game table. So instead of having a big, panel here, set of light switches that you don't really know which one does what, you have this much nicer looking touchpad.
In this house, we suggested doing a Crestron distributed video and audio system. In here, we have a couple different cable sources as well as Apple TV sources. The benefit for that, in a house like this where you have 12 TV zones or 12 video zones, is you don't have to have a cable box and an Apple TV at each TV. Instead, you can do 2 cable boxes and a couple Apple TVs down in a rack centrally located, and you can distribute them through each TV throughout the house. So when you go from one room to another, if you're watching Cable 1 or Apple TV 1, you'd be able to watch that in every room. With Luma cameras and the Luma NVR, we integrated it into the Crestron system, video system, so they can see their cameras on any TV in the home. So even if you see the size of this house and how big it is, being down here in the gym, so far away from the front door, you could pull up the cameras and see if anybody was at the door.
This home actually has 2 outdoor entertaining spaces with the infrared heaters, speakers built in. Oh, very cool. And then I'm told that these actually will pull up, and that can all be done automatically through the switches there. It looks like they've got the outdoor TV as well.
This room also has phantom screens, but instead of actually just being screens, they have the plastic material. So what it does is it turns this 3-season porch into kind of a 3.5-season porch. Because as you can tell, it's cold outside, but it feels great. Yeah. And they do have Infratec heaters, which are great. We have those controlled on the Crestron system as well. So press of a button and those will turn on and keep you warm. Sonance makes what they call their Sonar Ray System, or LS system. Actually, it might be called a Garden Series system now. They're basically these 4-inch satellites that you put throughout the whole exterior. And as you can see around the pool area too, there's a bunch around the pool. And the point of them is more speakers, but smaller, will fill the space better so that you can have a comfortable listening experience as well as talk to people around you. But there's also subwoofers that are added to the system, so if you really want to crank it up and have a party out here, you really can.
The second level is the living quarters. Come along and I'll show you some of the highlights. In the hallway here, we've got the central vac. Over here on the left, we've got the laundry room. We've got a set of washer and dryers as well as a stackable. In this space, we've got speakers in the ceiling and lighting control. That way when you're here working on laundry, you can listen to music. We've got a great view as well. One really cool feature I like about the primary suite is that they've actually put a button here that will turn the entire house off. So at the end of the night, when you're going to sleep, you want to make sure all the lights are off. You could either pull out your app and do that, or you can just touch a button right on that controller right there. This beautiful bedroom does feature another frame TV. So right now they've got art being displayed there above the fireplace. Absolutely beautiful. And again, speakers in this room. Coming into the primary bathroom, we've got controls right here, both the touch screen as well as just a keypad, and that's going to control things like your lights that you would expect, shades, the audio, but also we've got a heated towel bar, and so you can actually control that directly here through this panel, which is very neat. Now working our way back through the closet area, we've got a nice preparation kitchen, like a little coffee bar, so you could grab that in the morning. And then the lighting controls here, we've got a switch over there, but we've also got a touch panel here for the different closets. So you can actually turn the bathroom lights on, and we can turn everything off all at once. So that's a nice feature to be able to do that in one place without having to run to each corner to hit the different lights as you're coming and going. At the end of this very long hallway, it leads to what looks like a bookcase, but of course it is a secret door that leads here into a guest area. Throughout the house we've got the in-ceiling speakers, but also in areas like this they've gone ahead and prepared for the future. So we've got a spot where a TV could be mounted later, and then again, if you do a project of this size, sometimes in areas like this you're not going to want to do as much smart lighting. And so in here we've got some standard switches, but there are areas of the house where they've integrated connected switches that are tied in with the overall system instead of using those panels, which can cost a little more. And then another feature I've noticed throughout the house is they're going to have the wireless access point. So for a larger home, it's really important to have very strong Wi-Fi throughout.
This is the equipment rack. This is the brains of the entire home. This is where everything is located. When we design a system, we design this from the ground up. Every device is specifically put into place on purpose. This is all of the network cables throughout the house. This is where the brains of the security system is. So if a door is open or a smoke alarm goes off, it all comes through here. Another panel we have here is the keypad panel. So all of the Crestron keypads that we saw and talked about earlier are all wired down through this system down here. And then from here they communicate over Ethernet to the home processor in the rack.
We just wrapped up filming at this incredible property. Do us a favor and put a comment down below. What was your favorite feature of this property? And if you liked it, hit that like button, subscribe. We're going to have more content coming for you in the future. Big thank you for Admit One for allowing us access to this property today.